Welcome to Africa Business Frontier, where we break down real business opportunities across the African continent. Today, I'll show you how to start a cross-border import and export business in Africa, step by step, even if you're starting with no experience. If you've ever wondered how traders make money moving goods between African countries, this video is for you. Africa's cross-border trade is growing faster than ever. One major reason is AfCFTA, which connects over 1.4 billion people into one unified market, reducing trade barriers between African countries. Another reason is price differences. Products that are affordable in one country can sell for significantly higher prices just across the border. There is also strong demand for fast-moving consumer goods, machinery, spare parts, and agricultural supplies. Today, small and medium traders are driving this growth, not just big corporations. Africa's borders are opening, and the opportunities are massive. Let's talk about products that actually move. Import opportunities include construction equipment and spare parts, clothing, sneakers and accessories, solar kits, inverters and battery systems, and packaging materials for food and retail businesses. These products sell quickly because they solve everyday problems: housing, energy shortages, and consumer demand. On the export side, high-demand products include maize, beans, and sorghum, groundnuts and peanuts, dried fruits such as mangoes and bananas, and leather or handcrafted goods. These products are affordable, easy to source locally, and in constant demand across African borders. The key is starting with fast-moving products, not luxury items. Now let's break this down into 5 simple steps. Step 1. Choose your lane. Focus on one category: equipment, food, clothing, or consumer goods. Master one area before expanding. Step 2. Register your business. Even small traders need basic legal paperwork. This allows you to clear goods at borders and work legally with suppliers and clearing agents. Step 3. Find reliable suppliers. Use platforms like Alibaba, local factories, manufacturer directories, and wholesale markets. Always request samples and pricing before committing. Step 4. Find buyers before you import. Sell to retail shops, wholesalers, other traders, online marketplaces, and WhatsApp or Telegram bulk trading groups. Securing buyers early reduces risk. Step 5. Use clearing agents. Clearing agents handle import duties, VAT, customs compliance, and delivery. Their fee saves you time and expensive mistakes. Let's talk about income potential. Small traders typically earn between $200 and $800 per trip. Growing traders can make $1,000 to $5,000 per month. Bulk traders often earn $10,000 or more per month. This is one of the most consistent income streams available in Africa today. Cross-border import and export is not about luck. It's about strategy, timing, and relationships. If you want more tips on sourcing suppliers or choosing your first product, leave a comment below. Subscribe to Africa Business Frontier, the home of real African opportunity.